Is good communication necessary?
Yes, good communication is necessary. Good communication explain our ideas easily. It saves times and makes talks clear. It helps people understand each other.
How can you develop good communication necessary?
We can improve by reading and speaking more. Reading and speaking help us explain our ideas, and it helps me understand to talks with others.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I do. I go to many parties like birthday and farewell parties. Parties help me meet new people. I enjoy talking with friends and making new friends there.
Which party do you don't like?
I don't like to boring parties. I don't go to parties where there new music and dance. I also avoid parties at someone's home.
What do you do in your spare time?
Mm, I like to go to movies and restaurant with my friends. If I stay at home, I help my family. Sometimes I watch TV and my favorite games and reading new books.
Tell me about uh, some program you find interesting.
Mm, I like to watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma or Doraemon cartoon. Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma is a comedy show and Doraemon cartoon is a very funny cartoon show. These shows are making me laugh and feel happy. Um, I like to watch these shows.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV. Watching TV is fun for me. Watching it help me relax after a busy day. I like to watch comedy and learning programs.
Do you think TV is useful?
Yes, TV is useful. We can learn by new things from TV. Old people can watch religion shows. Housewives can watch cooking shows and learning new recipe. We can watch news there so that we know what is happening on our world.
How much time do you watching TV?
I watch TV for 1 and 2 hours every day. I think it is enough. Watching too much TV is not good for health. Watching too much TV is harmful for our eyes.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports. Sometimes I play cricket with my cousins and watching sports on the TV. Sports are good for health and sports keep us strong and active.